How to be more approachable. Hi, welcome to Victoria Bossa's How To, where I give you the basic skills to excel as a PR professional. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified when I upload a video. So, how to be more approachable? How to be more approachable implies building relationships with your colleagues and creating a strong team in which trust, confidence, and ideas can flow. When you are approachable, team members do not sit on or cover up problems. This means that people will bring issues to you before they become a crisis because they know that you have a strong, positive approach. How to be more approachable? Tip number 1. Don't constantly check your phone. It certainly is comforting and is a great way to look not so alone when out in public, but it isn't exactly the best way to meet new people. So, avoid your phone if you are around people. How to be more approachable? Tip number 2. Have a good eye contact. Don't look down or away when people attract your attention, because this makes you look unreceptive and uninterested. It can also be quite rude. So, however difficult it may be, try looking at people and eventually you will get used to making better and even more eye contact. How to be more approachable? Tip number 4. Stay in groups of 3. Introducing yourself to a group of 10 people is downright scary, as it is with 2 people who appear locked in a conversation. So stick to smaller groups and watch in awe as people come over to join. It can be tempting to circle up in a huge group or pair off with someone you know, but these types of overly large or overly exclusive groups tend to be less than inviting to others. Have you got any tips, tricks, or strategies you would like to share with the channel? Get them in the comments below. And if you like what you have seen, do go ahead and subscribe. But until next time, I'll see you then.